Hello, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at part 4 of the list data type. Um, we'll look at the insert function, which is also called a method. We'll look at some magic methods or dunder functions in Python under the list class. So, in a bit, let's get started. So I assume that this is a list. Let me call it data because and I have these values or items inside the list. I want to make use of the inserts. I can simply use data dot insert data dot insert and I include what I want to insert, say index and the objects. What I want to insert, let me say at index 3, I want to insert this list. It must not be a list for you to insert at the given index, can be an object. So I'll have my new data to be this. So that object will be inserted into that particular index that you specify. So whenever you want to do insertion in this, you can make use of the inserts. If you make use of append goes to the end, to the last item, and add another the object to the last item, while extend does the same thing with append, but actually the difference between append and extend is that extend is used for more addition of more than one object, while append is used for only one object. Sorry, let me repeat. I say extend is used for addition of more than one object, while append is used for the addition of one object at a time into the list. Okay, briefly, let's see some magic functions in the list class. Now, let me do this so to get that their list have this. Okay, let's just look at it briefly. The contain, the add is to add for addition, for addition. Then the contains is to know if a particular item is inside the list. Okay, let me do this. I say no, sorry, not data dot contains. I want to know if it contains 7. Now let me just do this. For you to make use of functions, after typing the function, you open your parentheses. This string that tells you about the function tells you actually what you should do. Now it's telling us that we should type a key that you check if it is in the list. So I have to type 7 now. I type 7 and it's true. It gives me true, which means that 7 is in the list. 7 is in the list. So let me look at another get item. Okay, get item is used to return an item at a particular position, at a particular index. So I do this get item, then at the index 0, 1, 2, 3, at the index 3, let me get the item there. Get item. Okay, so I missed the parenthesis, but sorry, I say parenthesis, double underscore. It gives me the object or the item that is at that index position 3. Okay, then wow, it's nice. This let me do this addition. Let me see what it gives me. Add data underscore add. Then when you look at it, you see the value that should be added. Now let me put value 2. It gives me the can only concatenate lists, not integer. So in this aspect, it wants us to make a concatenation of a list. So we have this. So it has added, good, it has added to the list. Now you see, you can use add, you can use append, you can use this add, you can use add for addition, you can use append and list. Let me do this list dot add. You can use append or you can use extend. And you can also use what I show initially, you can use insert. These are the different ways you can add an object to a list. Can add an object to a list. Add strictly goes with addition, appending a list to a list. So in the case of add, it must be a list. But in the case of append, extend, or insert, it can be any object. It can be any object. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching this video. Greatly appreciate the time you spent here. And please watch out in the next video. Next video, we'll be talking more about the lambda function. Then after that, we'll go into another data structure called dictionary. Thank you. Do have a nice day.